Hello friends, I am Professor Pawar SV from Sundarbai Manikarsu Polytechnic. In the last session we have started the topic active and passive voice. We have seen how simple present the sentence given in simple present tense convert into a passive voice, simple past tense convert into a passive voice and models. We have seen three types of sentences how they convert into a passive voice. Today we start how the sentence given in present continuous tense convert into a passive voice. For example, if the sentence he is writing a letter, he is writing a letter. The sentence is given in a present continuous tense. How we identified the sentence given in a present tense? Because we have learned tense. There is a to be, present to be and plus verb ing. Then the sentence is in a present continuous tense. He, subject, am is are पैकी एक is, to be, then verb ing, then a later object. So the given sentence is in a present continuous tense. How we convert it into a passive voice? There is a structure, passive structure. We can take object first. According to the object, we can use to be, present to be, am is are. So in passive voice, we eliminate ing. So we use being plus for 3 of the given sentence, given verb plus by, then objective case of the subject. This passive structure is used to convert in the sentence given in a present continuous tense. Passive structure. So we can make or we can convert it into a passive voice with the help of the given structure. So there is a letter object, so we can take a letter. According to the object we use to be, a letter is used. Then being, then V3, write, wrote V2, and then return V3. Return is a V3. So return, a letter is being written by, there is an objective case of him, by him. We convert the active voice into a passive voice with the help of the given structure. Let's see second example. Let's see second. They are finishing the work. They are finishing the work. Here is the subject are to be, then verb ing, then the work is object. So the given sentence is in a present continuous tense. So we can convert it into a passive voice with the help of the given structure. Let's take object first. The work. According to the object we use to be is, the work is. Then we must eliminate ing in a passive voice, so we use instead of ing being, then V3, finish, by, objective case of the they, then, by them. The work is being finished by them. The work is being finished by them is a correct passive voice of the given sentence. Let's see another example. Number third example. He, or we can use here she is making a kite. She is making a kite. There is she subject is present to be, making verb ing, and then a kite object. So let's take according to the given structure. Object first. A kite is the object in the given sentence. According to the subject, we use to be, is, then we use being and eliminate ing. Then we use V3 of the given verb, making, made is a V3 of make, by, and then objective case of the she, her. A kite is being made by her is a correct passive voice of the given sentence. We have seen present, how present continuous tense converted into a passive voice. The sentence given in present continuous tense converted into a passive voice. Let's turn the past continuous tense. The sentence given in a past continuous tense, how those sentences converted into a passive voice. Example, she was doing a course. She was doing a course. The given sentence is in a past continuous tense because there is she subject, was to be, doing verb ing, a course object. There is a given passive structure for the sentence. We can take first object, after it using to be, was, or where, then we eliminate the ing, and instead of ing we use being, then V3, then by, then objective case of the subject, passive voice, passive structure. So how we convert it into a passive voice? Let's take number first object, a course. According to the object we use to be, was, then we use being, then V3 of the given verb, done, by, the vibhakti of she, her, or objective case of the she, her. The course was being done by her. Let's see next example. He was watching birds. Let's take object first, birds. There is plural of bird, so we can use plural to be of past tense. There is a plural to be where. Birds where then we use being, birds were being, V3 of watch, birds were being watched by, then objective case of the subject, given subject. हिची द्वितीय विभक्ती काय आहे? him. By him. Birds were being watched by him. Birds were being watched by him. Let's see another example. She was helping me. How we convert it into a passive voice? Because the given sentence is given in an active voice, because there is no V3. So given sentence is in a past continuous tense. So how we can convert it into a passive voice? We can take first object. There is object in the objective case. We can take it first, so we can convert it into a first case. I, according to the object we used to be I was, then use being according to the given structure. First object taken, then to be, then being, then V3 helped by, objective case of the given pronoun her. Objective case of the given pronoun her. We learned 5 sentences converting into a passive voice. How they convert into a passive voice? Let's turn to the next, number 6, present perfect tense. Let's turn to the next, present perfect tense. How the sentence is given in a present perfect tense converted into a passive voice? If the sentence given in a present perfect tense, for example, I have finished this topic. I have finished this topic. We can use the passive structure, object, then have been, has been, or has been, according to the subject, has been, according to the object, then V3, then by, and last objective case of the subject. So we convert the given sentence into a passive voice with the help of the structure. Passive structure. So let's take first this topic, because the object, this is an object, this topic. According to object we use have been or has been. This topic, after this topic we use has been, because it is in a singular. This topic has been, then V3 of the given verb. If the sentence in a perfect tense there is already given past participle or verb 3, so we can take it finished, then by, then objective case of the given pronoun me. This topic has been finished by me. आपण काही वेगळं काय केलंय का? फक्त स्ट्रक्चरची हेल्प घेऊन ते वाक्य पॅशन मध्ये कसं कन्वर्ट केलंय आपण ते पाहिले, बरोबर आहे. एक नंबरला ऑब्जेक्ट घेतला, ओके. त्यानंतर अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट आपण हॅव बीन किंवा हॅज बीन घेतलं, पहा घेतलंय की हॅव बीन किंवा हॅज बीन. त्यानंतर V3 घेतलंय, पहा घेतलंय का. त्यानंतर बाय, another objective case of the subject. Objective case of the subject. Let's see another example. Second example, we or he has finished this project. Here is object, this project. He is subject, has finished for, then this project object. So sentence is in a present perfect tense. There is has and V3. Let's take first object, this project. According to object we use have been or has been. Then V3, finished by, and then objective case of the given subject, him, by him. Let's see another example, third example. Sachin have scored a century. There is a name given, so we can use same name after by. Let's turn into a passive voice. Sachin has scored a century. Let's take object, a century has been scored by Sachin. It is a correct passive voice. Have you understood how the sentence given in a present perfect tense, how it convert into a passive voice? We have seen 3 examples of present perfect tense. Till now we learned the sentences given in a simple present tense, how they convert into a passive voice. The sentences given in a simple past tense, how they convert into a passive voice. Present continuous tense, those sentences given in a present continuous tense, how they convert into a passive voice. Past continuous tense, then present perfect tense and modals. Rest of the sentences given in the past perfect tense, future perfect tense and imperative sentence we will see in the next session. Have you understood till the now? Whatever we learned, you are fully understood? Thank you very much. We will see the rest of the topic in the next session.